Hi, everyone. My name is Moto. I'm a Japanese targeted individual of U.S. government organized gang stalking, electric harassment. I've been very severely attacked. It's my hand, both hand, right hand, left hand, middle of the surface. They attack the specific range of microwave and focusing on my skin and the cortex, central cortex area. And I recently also hearing the voice to skull, voice transmitter uh, signal. And what I experience whenever come, come back to the house, there is a gang stalker, the Chinese and Korean, probably the cult member, stay around room. There is some vacant vacant room. They are using their nest to set up the um, neural weapon systems or the satellite base, equipped with satellite base directory energy weapons. And they are monitoring my room, and they also recording some secret software. So they can watch what I do, whatever I want I do, and also they are connected to each other. The what whenever I go out uh, to shopping or they go running to the ocean side, the gang stalkers communicated outside saban other gang stalkers, and they um, the gang stalker also appears when while I was running um outside. Still, there are directly energy weapons tracking my movement, every movement of my aspect of my life, watched by their gang stalkers. And also, I think sometime in hear the noise um, through my upper or my ear area, and I heard some transceiver sound, electric, like it's when the voice to skulls voice transmission has been stopped. It's gonna be I hear the transceiver sound comes through the left to right, and I feel like I'm implanted my some small device part of my body, and they can track. Um, it's accurate. It's really accurately attacked, focus in my part of body, organs, and also what I think is it's like they catch my brainwave, and then they convert it to some electric wave into the systems. The system can be um, um, convert this signal to the vision and display it. What I I feel like become an antenna. Some group of people can get into my brain and hack something what I thought it. So and it I believe it's part of the surveillance and experiment for developing of the new future uh, psycho neural weapons utilizing the satellite satellite based directly energy weapons and artificial intelligence. They I don't know they cannot find it enough budget because the Congress or U.S. Congress doesn't approve, but they have a secret budget doing this. And corporation also in corporation support their funding systems. So the money, it's always circulated in among the cult member society. So we are, I think the target to be individual is usually the tool for their funding systems. So, um, but they are still, I use a skin lotion ornament that which was described by the dermatologist. I use it, but it's damageable or couple of hours. They still attacking and make my skin itchiness. So it's damage and repeatedly the skin condition is deteriorated in some way, and I had some crack on a radiated portion of the skin, and I feel very hurt, very hot. It while I was washing the dish and washing hand, we're using a soap. Um, so, but I try to manage by myself, taking a nutrient from the food, and I've been avoiding eating of a lot of meat because it's containing rich tryptophan, and I stabilize it. I try to make my body pH level as alkaline, low alkaline body. It it's good way for the electric pulse. We receive the pulse and excited the particle, the its body made of the uh, atomic and molecule molecules are very excited uh, receiving the electricity, and it has very energy state. It's proactive, and also um, electric pulse in condition they control the my um, alkaline it's charge inside of the body system. They cause this to metabolization, control the metabolization and dehydration. Everything they can control by these neural weapons systems. So we must try to keep our body in safe is from this attack. Oh, okay. I keep posting, but recently I can try. I can't focusing on what I have to do, but everyone keep safe. I hope your life is getting well in the future soon. Take care. Have a good weekend. Bye bye.